What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome back to another movie. Please do enjoy. Subscribe if you are new, hit the post notification bell and leave a comment. Let us know your opinion. Before we jump in the movie, I want to tell you guys to go over to Kiera's Fashion. I am launching out a new business. I'm going to sell clothing and accessories. As I was saying, guys, Kiera's Fashion, the link I got down in the description box. Also, subscribe to Roshaun and Janiel TV. That's going to be me and my boyfriend couple channel. And yeah, so get us to 1K. We are almost there with the 928. The link I got also down in the description box below. Yeah, so go and enjoy the movie. Big up on yourself. Mommy,
What's the matter now?
What
your problem?
I can't bother.
If you stay so.
I can't bother with broke life. I can't manage to sleep in the darkness and hungry no more. I can't manage. I can't bother when things are going to change, no matter what I do. I pray to God, God still not answer my prayer. No matter what I do, I'm hungry same way. I can't get like nothing to eat or so food like everybody else. So what me do in a life so? But me can't find nothing at all to eat. And me can't get one word like a piece of work. Me just they are hungry so. No sir, me I suffer. Me know what me do in a life.
My dear, God is an on-time God. And the word of God said, He may not come when you want Him, but He's always on time. So I have wait, continue pray and wait upon the Lord. He may come through for you one at a time. Don't worry yourself. You're not going hungry forever and you're not going to suffer forever. Just make a wait upon Master God. Okay?
God on time, God look like him business with me no more. You know see, if God did business with you, who the hungry now? Me can't man.
Yes, but me prove him already. Me pray about something. But it take a little time. Sometimes it happen same time. But sometimes it take a little time. Just wait. You're not going dead for hungry. Just continue. Make me continue wait and continue pray. Alright, darling? Darling? Just take courage and make me continue wait. You hear? You're not going to suffer forever. You're going to go for a short time. But make me wait, continue. And continue pray. Alright? Mommy love you.
Alright, me I'll go back. Wake up now. Wake up. Me hungry. Me I go eat. Me hungry now. Why? You know say a little food we eat from morning. Little bit left, but if we eat tomorrow now, you know so we can't eat that. If we eat that, we go eat tomorrow. Just go drink little water and go be a little hungry, man. Tomorrow again we eat. Go drink little water, man. Me no want no water. Me tired of life, man. Me want something to eat. Me don't want no water. Boy, sis, just go drink the water and easy. No one everything's so alright, you know, man. Just go drink the water, man. You think me not hungry too? I'm hungry too, you know. But me just have to bear the hungry.
We just have to bear the... You see things are going on, man. Just bear the hungry and drink water and go easy. I go sleep and dream about somebody again look food, yeah, man. I'm about to sleep too, you know. But like sister, I promise you know, everything's so alright, you know. One day things are gonna better, you know. We're not gonna stay in a situation forever, you know. One day things are gonna get better, man. I promise you that. Yeah, man, I'm gonna tell before that. Why sis? I take it back after more now. You must have to do something about this too.
Boy, me understand, you know. But what we can do, because see the light bill for pay, so like they're about to cut off, because about 3 months in a pay. No food no there. And mommy want to help pay us only for something that it's house. I can't mother. They're stressful in the box side. I can't mother, man.
Boy, sis, you know what you thought though, because don't come look at my wig on my abban. You know how long me have that wig? Me have that wig from me I got school. You know how long me left school? From me I got school, me have the wig. My ear one do. See y'all scratch me too. How long me not take off my ear though. Then my nails one do. Never do look a piece of man no me have never can do nothing for me again. Come let me have to go live for my find somebody new.
Boy, me not lie for you, you know. Your wig stinking up when you sleep beside me at night time. Jaja. Me have to spin me at the next side. Head moldy man. Take you off now, man. What talking about that, man? What we gonna do for you with the whole situation? Because you look like you stop a go leak. So, what we gonna do?
Boy, girl, oh, me I go change the wig and I don't have the money for changing. But talking about that, you know say, me know a man. Him a chopper, you know, and it's like saying he wants some people from Western to collect money for him, you know. And money that for we, you know, girl, money that, you know, we can come and move out of this piece of house, yeah, and find some girl, we can't start live the big life now, you know. Think about him and make me know what I'm going, you know. Cause this not so like a little bad idea, you know, but think about it.
Girl, take off a wig and go wash it. That's what I need for do. I'm not sure about this a scamming something here. Me not know about that because right now, before I do that, I rather eat my bread and butter and my bulla alone, drink like water and go to bed at night time or beg like something from my neighbor. Me can't do that, man. Suppose police get... No, me can't do it. Me not do that.
Girl, think about do something, man. Me don't know what wrong with you. That's what me say me had a chopper and I family, no girl. Watch it. Look pan the levels on that table. Just look pan the levels. Watch it. We start do that now. You know, say, if a man get around 300 US, we get around 100 out of it. If me go collect it, we get 100. And when you go collect the money, you get the money back out of it, girl. You have to just think, man. Watch it. See, if mommy sick now, what we are going to do? We have to go walk and borrow money. What we are going to do? Think about the something. By then, if we start chop all the line to backside, they can start drive. You see them, when them big pretty boy, they to we look poor and broke, the boy, they never want to look pound to we look bad to backside. Girl. Yes, look. Right now, me want a crown for your drive, you know. A crown, me want to drive, and push down something big. Them look a poor life enough for girl like me. Look how me nice. Them look life enough for man, enough for girl like me, man. Cause I know man want push down a crown, brother. Man want pass all my enemies and splash them up with dirty water. Drop in a pot and splash them with dirty water. You know, think, man, you have to look for life and pre certain things, man. I fool we bus this now, I fool we look how long we sit down and wait for our bus. I fool we time this now, you know. Think about the something, man. I not give me no little long bag of talking. Think about the thing, man.
Me no know, you know. Me no know, me really no know. Me tell the poor life you know, so it sound like one good idea, you know. But if we suppose we get catch and everything. Me no know, you know. But John know.
Girl, that be nice, man. Who I go catch me?
Me no know, but it just seem better if we go honest bread.
Girl, honest bread now do nothing for you. Look how long me do honest bread. Look how long me I walk and wash people dirty clothes. And watch it. 1,500 for wash people clothes. And where that I go? That not going anywhere. Once we start do this, watch it. All we have to do, I just go collect the money. I will get the money. Simple. And when I get the money, you have to use the money. You have to use the head and smart with the money. Watch it. When I get the money, you start a business. So when police running by you, then them are going to say, well, you get back your money out of your business. So you have to smart with it. You can't just sit down and keep the money and flash off the money and walk a flash with a friend. You have to smart with the money. Just do the thing with me, man. And don't make me alone go do it, you know. Because you know, so once me start doing it, Toby will benefit from me, you know.
Alright. See what you say? Me hear what you say, no. But here what? So we are going to do it. So we go on the link and so we going to do it. Where we are going to start? Why first move we going to do? Because, alright, come give it a try. If it don't work out the first time, we left it. One chance we get it. If it work, we continue. And see where it take away.
Alright, girl. No problem. You don't worry about how we are going to start, you know, because I don't have a link and everything already, you know. You seem to give me an okay everything. I go link my linky and make you know how to go on. You see me?
Alright, me I go and go look at what I was feeding you because I'm hungry. I'm sure something in there now.
Who you? Well, me just wanna have a friend no more. You know, so I'd have me come for see though.
My girl, first of all, you don't see we boss so easily. So you need to state your name, where you come from, and where you come about.
Well, I don't know say you don't see boss so easy, you know, but it's a thing, my name Reblan thing, you know, but it's a thing me come to talk to the boss about, you see me? So I don't know if me can see him because me and him need to talk about that thing, you see me?
Yeah, it's a thing, my girl, or rebel, whatever you say your name is. You have to be specific. What kind of thing you come to talk to your boss about?
Well, I don't know say this scamming thing.
Alright. Now, stay here, so turn this. Alright.
Broken idea, no father. I'm trying. Moms, you know we have so.
It's better you find out, man. Just see the man.
Talk about the food.
Alright. Everything in, you know.
See you.
Jack Peer.
Dude, fire. Yeah, the nice show.
Yeah, man. That's the word, man. That's the word, man.
Let me tell you.
Easy. No, I use the money, man. No. I use the money, man.
Yo, wicked one, Chris.
Yeah, mama.
Forward.
I would have.
Here you gentlemen.
Yo, one video up there so she say name verbal or some shit, so she come for Linky boss. You don't know saying it's hard for see for your boss, so you have to go deal with her. Or me tell her if you just give me a second. She talk about scamming loud up there, so brother.
Then how we cheat that girl out there, sir? Loud bastard.
I don't know which idiot girl that, but as the boss right hand man, you know say you have to deal with anything there. The only thing me do, collect money, drop off it to you, and you give boss. So deal with the badness.
Ah, no say fast, me I did. I see.
You're right.
Afternoon, man. You say your purpose, you know?
Well, you don't know say it's a little scamming thing I come to talk about still, but you know say I can't load up a thing, you see me? But it's a little scamming thing I come to talk to your boss about.
So you're serious? You can't take a joke thing, you know. You know, say your boss no play people and no play the money, you know. So tell me if you're serious or what?
Yo, I know say boss and play the money and thing, you know. And a serious thing me depend still, you see me? But more you link with boss in and let me know if I go on to, you know, because I serious, even if I serious mood there, so I'm not run no joke with the boss and the money.
You know, so me feel like me I put in a word for you. You look nice, you know, so I give boss a talk for you, man, but hear me I say, boss give for little or nothing. Pay the boss money, dead you're dead. So know where I get yourself in from now, boss, no joke. Alright?
I know all of them things, but you don't know, say I know me alone, though, and me and my sister, but don't know, say I'm a bad man already and anything, you see me? So just link your boss and make me know if I go on, cause man tell like pro-life and thing, you know, so make it chopping, see me, you see me?
You know, say your sister over there on spot, so your boss can see how we might deal with. But anyways, me I go deal with the boss too, so.
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow. Don't move, you know.
Nah, move, man.
Boss, you what going on, no? I look be in here rebel. I don't know if you know her, because she know you. You see, they chat to her. She say, yo, she want in a game, you know, that. Go ahead, man.
Who? What's your name?
Rebel.
Rebel. Oh! Remember the girl in meeting I told now? Good looking girl still, you know.
Woman, nice, man.
But I offer her one little job still, you know. She said she ready for it.
Yes, man.
So here we go and see. Put her up on a small mission first. Test her out, feel her out, make sure say.
You want no father? She say she and her sister. You see it? But I'm not like, but I take her the personal one still, you know. Woman look good. But besides that, this is where I did still. You see it?
Oh, you want to bring your sister in there? But you want to know your sister, you know. So your sister have to follow the foot. I know your sister.
Don't tell her that,
Yeah,
boss.
that's what I say. Yeah, man, I'll just give her one small rose. See if she can match you up, see if you're loyal, you know. Looking at her background a little bit too. You see me? You know where she come from. And them look at something there. You see me, I say, father?
Alright.
So just deal with that. Yeah, and then we just put him for the small work, you see me?
Alright, bossy. Me I give her one link. You see it? And make sure you know what time it is, in.
Oh, yo, hold on there. You know what I do? I will leave for Paris tomorrow, you know. So all of the match there, you have to go deal with it, you know. When I come back, you know. Well, for now, you don't know that guy, you see me? So I go in a hole for you a little bit. Yeah.
How you say like a bossy? Bossy, me can't angle them business there, you know. And you hide behind for one of them things. I feel that's a cut so that. But I see what I can't do still, you know. I'm not going to do things still, you see it? Oh, bossy, a long time, I want them position still, you know. I did the thing right way. Yeah, go see how Portland run, man. But anyways, I did the agent to better far back. You see it? Agent, how are you there? You are going now. Yeah, make her go pick up something right now. But you stay.
Yeah, man, I can go deal with the thing, yeah, man. Just tell me what I'm going to go run it out and thing.
You're going to make her pick up 200,000. You know, so you get 40,000 out of it. See? The rest of the basket. You see what I say? So tell me where you can go deal it right now.
Yes, man, of course I can go run out that. 4,000 will go a long way for me right now, but talking about that. So why boss about my sister though?
Remember, say an illegal thing we are running. You see it? We not do backdoor deal. We have to see your sister on spot. You see what I say? But you want to know the boss, I go left a place. So me have to go deal after that. You see it? A matter of fact, me have a little agent around there. She have to come to and do business with she. You see it? So after you pick up this, you come, you make she get it. And then when you have forward, you bring your sister. You see it?
Yeah, man, everything good with that, man. When me are forward, make sure it's forward with me and just deal with the thing, you see me? Everything good.
I'm going to tell you this now. So when you pick up my money, you don't stop nowhere. You come with my money right on my foot. You see what I say? Get that? Comprende? Espanol?
Yeah, I understand how things are going and everything. But I just have to deal with it and make you get it in. Just give me a number, make everything just smooth, just run smooth, isn't it?
If them catch you, who give you money? Where you get money from?
Nobody.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
If they catch you, who send everything in?
Nobody, man.
Alright, good. Business can done. I'm sending information to your phone right now. Give me a number.
369 36 48.
Yeah, it's already now. It is?
Yeah, man.
Check your phone.
Yeah, man, come in, everything.
Leave that right. What for go on? You there?
Got me on door.
You know what's me about the next package more you go pick up though?
No problem with this, boss. Just turn more for one, man.
Yeah man, cause me like you run the operation the last time, you know. Right money and everything, you know, brother. You see me I say no, no?
See, man.
Me I go send you the information him. You just go do the right thing, you see it? I remember your sister to bring her in when I forward with my thing, you see it?
Alright.
But remember the thing, you know. 30 I get this time, that alright? Can't hold up money, you know.
Get a smaller.
No, 150 man. What you think, man? Boss have to get fee man, you know.
Alright. Then what? No go man sit up and make it get it.
Do the right thing.
Alright.
Get to work, I know. Hello? Is this Paul Gray? Yes. I'm Akeem Brown, calling from the Lot of Sweet Steaks. I want to let you know you have won yourself 9.5 million US dollars. Yes, and a brand new Mercedes. Yes. But there's a small problem. So you know you have to pay a little small fee, right? 30,000 US. Nothing much. Okay. Do you know Western Union? Okay, that's good. That's wonderful. Yes, miss. I understand. Yes, miss. So, I'm going to contact my manager and I'm going to give you a few information to send the money to. Is that okay? No, man. We cannot take the money out of the money that you have won because you haven't claimed the prizes yet. Yes, miss. Understand? Yes. So just send us the money to make everything okay, alright? Alright, thanks. Mind you think that? You count everything in there. Alright. So what now?
You know, it's a long time in them, but in a Western Union, and I'm kind of hungry though.
You want some feed?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll buy you some feed. You see? I remember me hungry too.
Yeah.
Listen to me, I say, no, brother. As some serious set of people we are good on so go deal with, you know. So me no want you good on the nervous thing and go ruin the business, you know. Watch ya. You go see some things down there, so, but you stay down there, so you see me? So anything you see down there, make it just stay down there. Nothing to come back a road, you know. Tell me I tell you that. And no matter mess up the thing, you know. Just take things easy and make me do all of the talking, you see me? Make me do all of the talking.
Alright, come on, go down there so I go on down there.
Morning.
Morning.
Who that?
No, some sister though.
Oh, you have it? You have a thing?
Yeah, man.
Wow. Go call.
We could talk business now. Money right. me say have a drink there. So glad you're not drinking. I'm underage. Anyways, introduce yourself to me now.
As you already know, I'm Rebel's sister.
Yeah.
My name is Hope.
They know your moves and rumors. Anyways, step outside and let me give her a smart talk, yeah?
Alright, boss.
See a chair over there, so dry it in here and sit down. So tell me now, you nervous?
I'm a bit nervous, yes.
Why? Afraid of gun and them thing there?
A bit, yes.
Hold on, panda. Feel that. Feel it, man. Don't feel right. Nah, bite you. Me more for bite you. And feel it. Take up the gun, man. You afraid? Tell you something here, man. But anyways, see my business, on a joke business. You might look good and everything still, but me murder you if you ramp up the money. So when you come out to my money, I don't play. My woman can't tell you that. Take my money serious. If you know say a dolly house and you're going to mess up my money, nobody will put it in a game. And see if you can't keep your mouth, I don't want you in a game now. Let me ask you a small question. If police catch you with the money, where you get it from?
No wicked man, Chris.
Where you say that? If police catch you with that, they don't know where you get it from. Don't call my name. How we are? Rebel!
Give me a chance, man. Give me a chance. If you really want me to do this, I can't do it, man. Just give me a chance. I'm going to show you so I can do it. You put in the work, man.
I know, so you can't do it, you know. But you call my name.
I don't call nobody name, man. I just go say, I tell you some a family member send me money to deal with business. I just go do your business and do it clean and smooth. No stitch up on the road, nothing at all.
That is it. You hear me I say no? And the rubber bullet come out of them there, you hear?
I know, man.
Good. You hear more you do know, but you collect money right now. Right now, I say no collect money. Joke thing you do, man. Give me a number. Send us some information right now. Your number.
855
Alright.
63
Yeah.
40.
Yeah. You there?
Yeah.
I'm going to take you until you check me tonight, still. You hear me?
Alright.
Yeah, you like. A woman, them are really half dead KFC. I'm hungry, you know.
Look here.
How we get that?
I buy a little piece this now, you know. Mind this.
Stop! What you going for me now? Stop that now!
This is a small thing, man. This is not there nothing, man. I think if you take a while of fight, I'm going to bust too, you know. Yo, I feel thing this now, you know. Tough. Stop going like I did. Come on, God road. We soon move out of this place at you know. A big thing, big life for some big thing, you know.
Come on, that'll be nice.
What going bossy?
Are you there contact, you know?
What not say? But no say business can't talk on roadside, man. But you know, I do like a thing, so I have to check me like tomorrow, is it? Make a move.
Oh, hello. I'm gonna stop right there so I want to ask me something.
Who you, man?
Hello, my son with my man like a while. How are you going?
Hey, my girl, what you mean by you see me with your man? You know who me? You know who me?
Hey girl, what you mean by me know who you? You know who me?
Rebel, what you do? What you do? Yo, my girl, I idiot, man. Come on, my run, man. Come on, no, man.
Hello?
This is Constable Daly calling from the Central Police Station. We have received a body and we'd like you, her name is Glimmer Brown. And we'd like you to come and identify her, please. We called the first number we saw in the phone. And you were the most recent call. So we'd like you to come and identify her body.
We asked to me, repeat yourself. I mean, it's like that now registered in my brain. I mean, here we are, something, you know, because this no sound right.
We have a body by the name of Glimmer Brown. And we would like you to come and identify her because you were her last and most frequent.
No, man, I can't my slimmers. I'm less slimmers in our house, you know. So I can't my slimmers that, mama.
Sir, could you please come down and identify her body?
Me I call her and call you back. I must do this. Give me a second there.
Okay.
What in this? No, sir. Try back again.
I make myself useful the time I go sit down and I freaking worry myself.
Mommy, all the fretting and the worrying done, you know.
Lord, me feel good and you look more happy. Come me girl. Hey. Come me girl.
What's up, Mommy?
Lord, girl, me glad to see you look more happy. Things change, don't it?
Listen, you
Me
see what party I
tell you, God did not make it change. Listen, God is good.
You see, I'm fat and juicy and pretty now. I'm gonna run for me now. You see, I'm look nice?
Yeah, man, it's true.
From your rebel life for yourself, we start make life.
My sister life change feel for two. Then we rebel there.
Right now, rebel up on the hustling, you know. Should they work or do our thing. Me dey on my day off today, you know. So me just say me I come look for you and thing and check my and show you how me get fat and pretty.
Sure. Me really feel proud and how enough for two and me glad to see you. So you look change up and everything.
Mommy, make here one gift for you in the bag here all this.
Thank you, my girl. God bless you. I love you. That's why I feel to say that.
You're not looking at your bag. You just said thank you, sir.
Wait. What? And where you get so much money from?
At the call center down at Jack Pass, Paza, Ochi, me a work man. And so them pay good. You like what you see? You behave some way?
Call center make so much and pay so much money. Make sure we attack to you know.
Mommy, me not gonna lie to you, man. A call center work. What could I not do if I no call center work? Call center work I give you money, man. You see how we nice now. So we are worth for. It just make everything be a problem, man. Sure, just enjoy yourself now. Me alone can't look so good. Me and Rebel can't do out there make money and you there and suffer. Sure. See, you can put on your light now. Me don't know what happened to you, man. Enjoy a little money when me give you, man, and stop where it come from, man. Sure.
Once you can prove it, say, our call center, you worth the money. Me glad for it and me will accept it.
Mommy, just take your money and put on back a light in the house and water and something. Because you alone down here, you know. Because for me a rebel gun and you alone and we can't have it down in the darkness and have no food. Just go to supermarket, buy like a food and put on the light. Me go get like a Wi-Fi for you so you have like a entertainment and something down here.
Yes, my daughter, me thank you and me appreciate it. Me can God continue bless you.
Anyways, mommy, go in go bathe and change and go to supermarket go buy like a food. Because me have to go back down and watch you now. I post me again, so later.
Alright, my daughter. Take care of yourself and God go with you here.
Yes, mommy, later.
I remember, what your name. I remember what the word oak mean.
Yes, mom, remember man, what man? Later.
Alright.
Why sis? Glad they make we do that someday. Can't see? Look over there now. Yeah, so we make it in our life now. We are living in a new apartment, all them something there we can't talk to, you know. Watch good life.
See me that today, so we don't have nothing to worry about. Watch it. We move out of the little piece of house. We are living big life. Me take off a little piece of thinking, wig. Going to things I look up. Right now. And you see me look good. Me gonna put on way. Watch it. Put on breast.
Cup on the like
Watch
them.
it. Me lift on my, look how my breast did long. Me lift my breast them.
Me see. Good is this.
Sis. Let me see how do this. Hello?
Yeah, what? Yeah, woman, ready?
Damn, I don't know.
You're not busy.
No, sir. Why choppings?
Yeah, on money, it's urgent.
Alright, me a forward.
I could have way you want or you want silly.
No, so man, everything is just be cool and just be like, you know, you see me?
Alright.
What going on? Thing good.
Yeah, man.
You know what you did to me though?
What that now?
You know, say me get a call from the mocha boy them yesterday. I say, yo, somebody knock my woman door. And then I go say, boom, so I go down at the mark father, I'm really CRG. You know. But here me want you do for me now. More you run an investigation and find out how do it. You see me I say, make you get 100K for that, you see it?
Yeah, man.
You can angle a bangle for me.
Yeah, man, no problem with this, man. Who do anything, no, man. Just tell me for go on and we'll deal with it, you see me?
Just go deal with that for me. Once you deal with it, come collect your thing, you see it? Deal up yourself, you know?
Yeah, man.
You have to go be my next woman, you know?
Bossy?
What going on?
Why bossy me have something to tell you?
Yeah, talk to me now, man.
Why bossy? I don't know if I tell you this, you know.
No, man, talk.
Our Rebel and our sister kill your baby.
What you say? Rebel? Where they are my foot?
Yeah, bossy, Rebel will do the transaction name of Western Union and MoneyGram for you.
When me say when me pay 100,000 for go deal whatever my business? I look a tough skin girl there. She really kill my woman. What you say? Here me want you to know. But you go flick her butt like right now. So here we are go do. Well, let's drop it. But do that right now.
Bossy, you know I say anything for you, you know. You know we're not ram.
The right thing, alright. So done, send me a picture right away, you see? I'm dead that girl left for dead.
How are you all doing in my place?
What you mean when me are doing that? You feel me not know say you and your sister shoot the boss woman? I wanna make the boss come and tell you say to find out that who I wanna make him man know what I want. But no one myself no, cause I go deal with him now. Cause I know who. I know say you.
Since you know how to do it, you want to defend it. For dirt or dirt, you know. Tell you that. Sister, you know this me? Why you know? How do you do this?
Where's your sister there?
Me don't know what she did.
What you mean by you don't know where she there?
Me don't know
Hey girl,
what she
talk
did.
up, you know.
Me don't know my sister there.
What you mean by you don't know where your
Me
sister
don't know.
there? Talk to me straight, you know. Talk to me straight, you know. Hey girl, talk up, you know, dog. Where your sister there?
Me tell you, me don't know my sister there.
It's like you don't like your mother. It's like you don't like your mother. Talk to me. Where your sister there?
Please don't do nothing to my mother. Just don't do nothing to my mother.
So where your sister there? So talk up there, no man. Talk up, no man.
My sister up the road with her friend. She just check around a bar.
So what are plans? What are plans for tomorrow? What she do tomorrow? Talk to me.
She said she go up a bar tomorrow. She come back around 3 o'clock in the evening. So we keep on spare key and the mat. So
Which mat? Which mat?
the mat with the front door.
Let me tell you this. You see, anyway, you go to her and tell her, say, me stick you up, brother. Your mother up there, so dead. No! Sit down, sir. If I know vendetta, you know, say I rat him, me say, Mali team them out. What the artist?
Don't shoot at me, man.
Oh, are you? Oh, nice place. So where you say you do you know? What breeze blow here?
Me have something to tell you, man. But me not really wanted to get vexed.
Well, talk up the man, talk up the man.
It's about
who?
It's about Rebel. Rebel kill a girlfriend and Tally.
You know prank this? I must prank.
I true me I tell you because Rebel kill 2 of them. Tally come to kill me and she kill him first and me know say if Rebel kill them me will kill anybody. Me no plan to stay long down here, you know. I'll cut me just tell you because I can't deal with this no more upon my conscience. Rebel will kill anybody going away. Me gone still no later.
Bad chap.
Honey,
You know, I want to check if you 2 Mali do, you stay?
I'm a fully active man, so I would be man.
Ah, bad thing.
Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain, for the Lord will not hold him guiltless that take his name in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days shalt thou labor and do all thy work. But the 7th day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. In it thou shalt not do any work, thou, nor thy son, nor thy daughter, shall renew their strength.
Remember when I tell you we have one call center work? I never call center work, me and everybody do. We did collect some money for a man where you scam overseas. And now we in a trouble. So me I come go off the grid for around for 2 years or so. Because the man trouble there. Trouble there around right now. Me don't know what to do. So me I go off the grid now. So me I give the back because me I left. You know I'm back for 2 years, mommy. So love you. See here. Take this, we take care of you later, mommy.
What's my problem?
Me have to go, man. Me can't stay. I'm gone now. Me can't.
Come.
Me can't stay, mommy. Me have to go.
Lord have mercy. Lord, you know you care and you understand. But me I trust in you. Jesus paid it all to him I hold. Sinners left a crimson stain.
So, are you kill my woman and make me pay you how much in money? If you go look for man. Find out if you want to go cook girl. But here what me I go do? I go separate the head from your body. You see what I say? You don't deserve no bullet. That you deserve, you know? Alright.
Reports were just made that a 22-year-old by the name of Chris Blackwood was found with 7 burner phones, 3 packs of candle, frankincense and myrrh, and 7 bottles of olive oil. Reports were made that he's an alleged scammer. More news after this. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hi, I am Jalia Hill, reporting live from the Garson J's News Report. Reports were made approximately 12:30 a.m. last night. A body of a 21-year-old young lady was found at 23 Red A's Road, Port Antonio, Portland. Witnesses said that she was found with her head separated from her body. In other news, the 23-year-old female was an alleged scammer. It was said that she killed 2 female, 22-year-old Alicia Simpson and 24-year-old Talia Moore. That's it for the news. I am Jalia Hill, reporting live from Garson J's News Report. We'll be right back.
Lord have mercy upon me, my God. What am I going to do? Jesus, help me, please. God, me. And then, I'm in the news for the next one day. Me lonely every night. Me alone in the house. I look up in the house. Stop. I don't know what to do. God have mercy. Pamela. Why? Help me, God, help me, God, help me. Oh my God! Oh my God, it looks so delicious.
Yes.
It looks very nice, my dear.
Thank you. Mommy,
Yes, darling.
we finally reached to come back.
Open. And what you did there? 2 years now. And you just come back in a long to see me.
From the last time I tell you, me I come off the grid because a little situation, so me do runway and thing. Right now, me there here now, and me make one life for myself in time runway during the 2 years. Me start a business, me start to work at law firm and something now. So right now, me make my own money now. So me just come back now to come check on you and see how was life since me gone and see if you're alright same way. Can me left some money with you and what did happen when Rebel did gone, because me hear upon the news. Me did feel so heartbroken, but bad for weeks in my bed. But me could have left for me there because me don't know if I would have been next. So me run. Because see, if me did stay, I would have no daughter now to come check on you. Life is hard. The pain I go through.
My daughter, me there, me fret, me worry, me consider, me not even know what to do with myself after me hear say Rebel dead and then kind of something there. So me just there pan the gully side.
Mommy, me know man, but how you manage after Rebel dead and thing?
Why? Me there and all sort of something befall me. People accuse me, people against me, and I say my daughter all scammer and this and that. Me in the house lock up because me shame and feel bad about everything and every situation, and people are lost to in my house. So me just have to stay one way to comfort myself.
Me know you're hard feel, but me could stay. Me really could stay. Me miss you all the years I'm gone. But me know if me come back and I have nothing, again me go back in a poverty again, and then Rebel would have dead. If nothing, I would have nobody in it with me. It would have just be 2 hours. Me couldn't manage that. So me decided say, since as me run away, me just make a life for myself. Cause you know, so me dey go to school and something. I didn't want to go back to school and something, so I just find a way and go back to school and then see me work and I get a little money. It is hard, miserable every day. I just tell myself, say, as she make me do this, as she make me push myself and you for go through life and do everything. So I me inspire myself and start the business. To come back and show, say, I never gone for nothing at all.
Yes, my daughter, I'm really proud of you. You pick up yourself and you see your whole life change upon everything. And I'm glad and I'm proud of you. Well, my daughter, you see how the name Hope turn out for you? You really give me hope. I'm really glad and I'm happy now. And we can live happy ever after. God bless you.
Alright, Mama.
Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, if you are new, subscribe, like, share, hit the post notification bell and leave a comment. Let us know your opinion. I tried my best to go 1 hour. Kind of hard because I use a phone, but I try. Did while I edit and me say it. Sorry about the mistake in a previous movie, but while I edit, because it's a phone me used to using the laptop, so I kind of make some like a mistake. But I'm gonna try my best to not make that mistake in previous things again. But as me said, thanks for watching again, and remember Kiera's fashion link I'll get it down in the description box below. Roshaun and Janiel TV, please go over there, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. We'll be posting content soon. Big up on yourself.
answer. Say this thing. Where is Mr. Bro?
So we just say.
Are you see for? Are you see for?
Careful,
You ready?
come on and ready.
You serious now? Maybe if me give you a hard box, you will see.
Yeah, man, give me a
Me? You don't have Anto.
Give me a box, no?
You don't set me up. That now. Sherry, and stop. Are you going to jump over this? Last time I tell you. Oh, this other more than so.
I know, we're the age, man.
Over there.
She answer to you.
So talk up there, no man. Talk up, no man.
My sister up the road with her friend. She just check around a bar.
So our plans, our plans, our plans
I
tomorrow.
don't know what her plans.
We should.
Hold on.
Action.
No, say if I dirty, I dirty, no.
Alright. That is it.
That is it.
Cut.
Alright, catch them now.
Hey, that scratch a girl in the background, so.
Mommy. Good evening. Good evening, dear. What's up? Everyone go home. Go.
Breaking news. A 22-year-old male was found with several banger phones. No, I don't want to that. Breaking news. Somebody dead. Coffee up. Alright. Neighbors said that the body was found with the head separated. What?
Seven.
Hi, I am Jayla Hill reporting live from the Garson J's news report. Reports were made that a 21-year-old, should I be what, female? Say the girl mix. Go on.
Fix your face.
Hi. We had a couple out.
No. You see that, Sherry?
You alright? You pay up enough for your show, I mean.
Sherry, you see that?
Come if you look down.
No?
Sherry, you see that?
So I'll just do what I can do. Person call me and so on text me, which I'm grateful of, but certain person mine is in different direction. But my head not really there right now. So yes. But thank you for continuously supporting because we get enough call, enough text from kids, big people, little people, old people, every people. Grateful. You know, so I watch and I support. But we are trying to perspire in our life. So again, a big thank you for our supporters. A big thank you. I want to tell you I appreciate you all. I might not get through in the way I want to have the kids, but I will still do what I can. So I'm just giving you a further update because school time is coming down. I mean, I want to ask again and say, oh, I didn't see this or oh, I didn't see that. I didn't receive the help I expected. So, yes, I just come to clarify that and clear the hair. So keep on supporting, keep on watching, and turn on the post notification bells. Also remember, not just watch it video, subscribe, please and thank you. Subscribe. Nobody watch it video alone and don't subscribe. Please, in my name's sake, subscribe. So in time anything come in, you can know say a new something drop. So.
Hi guys, welcome to Kiera TV, and I am doing this promo for a restaurant that is located in, it is not at home sweet home in West End Negril. They say a place there, but the restaurant literally the on the same building there, but an Anake restaurant. We don't remember why the name, but when you know watch the video, we know go see. So I do one little promo for you. So and then I go do some shooting there also. I already shoot a scene there. So I go see how a place stay. So I go and watch a video, go and watch a movie, and then hope you enjoy. I go see the place also. I want a nice place. Food not that bad because I ate there before. And it also have bar. So yeah, wanna deal with that for me, and please do like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Hope you enjoy the movie. Stay tuned, and please remember, if you come to Jamaica or if all who they have Jamaica anywhere in the world, you can come and Negril, and if you want to go somewhere, you go home sweet home and find a restaurant here. Big up on yourself. Look how they decorate right here, so. It's pretty. So I'm not going to regret it. So make sure someone come back to Home Sweet Home. And then I'm going to see more of the place here in all I'm going to move with them. Right now we're going to get one shot to our see. So I'm going to stay tuned. I don't know if I'm bad move go come out. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. So on a watch a video, I want to see how a place look. The restaurant, it's located once more. It is located at Western Negril, Home Sweet Home Resort, right on the left side, not too far in a Western. You can find it. If you need more information, as you see the picture them and the video them, if you need more information about the place, you can contact me. My number go down in the description box below, or you can test it on Instagram. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and please go and visit the nice restaurant there. As you know, see our good place, so you can do parties, anything you want to do there. Yes, so as you know, see video, you know say then as me say, West End Negril, Home Sweet Home on the left side of the road, and you can last. If you need more information to find the place, just contact me. My number go down in the description box below, and my Instagram also. So yeah, thanks again, big up on yourself, thanks for your support, we appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the movie, and yeah, check out the place.